Keith Fitz with us today. Keith, why do you call Apple the sleeper stock of 2025?
Oh my goodness, Stuart, this is one of my favorites. So you've got multiple billions of installed devices, an upgrade cycle of maybe 300 million phones alone next year. You've got perhaps next year 20% of the planet accessing AI in one form or another through an Apple device. I think earnings grow 20-25%.
20 to 25% profit growth in next year. Would that translate into a 20 to 25% jump in the stock price?
You know, that's the hope, obviously, because over long periods of time, earnings drive prices, right? And the reason it's a sleeper is this reminds me of the iPhone in 2007 and services in 2014. Both times people poo-hooed Apple. The fact that they've got their attention off of Apple when it's making such big changes is a carbon copy repeat.
Okay. How about Palantir? You and other people on this program have been really recommending it very, very strongly. You think it's going to hit $100 a share?
I do, and we've just taken out 80, which of course I put right on your show here back when it was under 50. So here's the thing: Palantir makes stuff that makes software work. So imagine you're a government employee, you've got a system from 81, 91, 93, 2001. They can't talk to each other. They're beyond scalability. Palantir sandwiches all that together, not only makes it talk, but makes it productive. And it can do that anywhere in the world with a government system, a civilian system. The valuation is completely inexpensive, contrary to what people think.
Big picture, do you see anything on the horizon which would interrupt the rally? Because we are in rally mode at the moment.
I know, isn't this great? So the economy is really strong. The black swans really are going to be something going hot in one of the conflicts around the world, or the Fed backpedaling on rates. Other than that, the path of least resistance is up, and I frankly wouldn't be too worried about it over the next 12 months.
Trump says he's not going to fire Jay Powell at the Fed. Is that reassuring to Wall Street or not?
Well, I can't speak for Wall Street, but to me, I look at that and I say, well, I could take both sides of the coin on that one.
Well, do we want to politicize Federal Reserve? That's my question, isn't it?
I don't think we do. I mean, we want to let Jay Powell do his thing, but I would argue that doing his thing hasn't necessarily been good because the market's always going to do it better than a centralized institution like the Fed.
Okay, well, he's staying, and that's the way it is. Keith Fitz, thanks for joining us. See you again real soon.